Welcome back, y'all. Out here on the kayak again, try our luck at some fishing. Last time didn't go so well, so the goal for today is just to catch a fish. We're back here in this tidal creek up behind some mangroves. It empties, so it comes from the main river back here behind me, Manatee River. But there's a big open flat, mud flat on that side. Got another section of mangroves, and then there's the creek that feeds into this. It's a tidal creek, it comes from the ocean, so this is all gonna move down. Had to get in here at high tide, and I don't know, we'll see if we can find something. So we're gonna head through this little cut. Hopefully it doesn't get too shallow. Let's see if we can find something on the other side. My dad, my brother, and I came back here 2 days ago. We're fly fishing, just walking. There's a bunch of bait right here. We were just walking through these mangroves and it got a little too deep. That's why I decided to bring the kayak this time. That plus I can just travel and cover a lot more ground a little faster. So see if we can't get something. And we'll have a little day on the water. Well, we made it all the way up to the top of this little creek. So we're gonna ride the wind back down and out, keep fishing all the way through here, try and get into the big bay that's on the other side, that big mud flat, and see if we can't find something. As we're floating down this, I'm just casting into these, there's little pockets where the mangroves kind of jet out up here. So we're just gonna try and cast on the backside, hold the bait across it. There's a drop off, I think it's about 3 feet right here. I mean, we can check real fast. Right here we're out, so it's maybe 2 feet of water right here. So there's a little drop at least from the mangroves to the center of the canal. Try and pull a little bait fish, our jig, from the shallows, hoping that something will strike it from the deeper water. That's kind of the end all plan. So far we haven't been so lucky. Bunch of pinfish, still see those darting around. Just a beautiful area. It's crazy. Looks like we're about to get to the where it opens up into a big mud flat here in a second. So trying to fish the edges of this, see if we can get something. Switched baits. We're now doing the low gold shrimp. Hopefully that's a little more enticing for something back here, but we'll have to see. Oh, something just darted right there. Maybe I should be casting while I talk. So as you can see, it kind of opens up here. We'll head back and around, and that's how you get back to the main river. We're gonna fish this whole little channel first, all these little cutbacks, and then we'll head that way. We got something! Finally! Let's go! Oh, it's a stupid catfish, but still. Come here, buddy. Get this little hook out of here. Alright. right. Oh, gosh, dang it, they got a spine on him. He just stuck me with it. Oh, that's not good. All right. Daggum fish. Oh. Oh yeah, you got me good. We're gonna let him go down the hole. Ah. Oh. Gosh dang it. That's stupid. Oh. I don't know if them are poisonous when they spine you. Sure hope not. Well, I finally caught a fish, but he got his payback and stuck with one of his freaking spines. Bottom of my foot's bleeding. Oh, gosh dang it. Looks like we're calling my dad. Hey, I caught one of them little, you know them catfish looking things?
Yeah.
And they've got those spines on the side of their fins?
Yeah.
Are they poisonous?
No, did he stick you?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they hurt, don't they?
Stuck me in the bottom of my foot. All right, so I've composed myself. The fish that we just caught was a saltwater catfish, and they are covered in this slimy residue. If you can see it still on my hands, like I can't even get rid of it. That's why the blood's coagulated and stuck all funny in the bottom of the kayak. Wasn't that bad. Foot definitely hurts, a little sore, bruised already. But Dad says we'll be fine. Not trying to lose my foot, so we're gonna trust him there and keep fishing. Hopefully you can get something better than a stupid old catfish, because at least we caught something. That's the highlight there. Sorry I didn't get to pick it up and show y'all because I got stuck in the foot, so I panicked a little bit. So keep heading up through here and see if there's something. I'm sorry, that's too funny. See if there's something else up here. We got something. We got another one. Oh. Oh, it's just a little jack. All right, this guy shouldn't be as mean as the last guy. Oh, come here. All right, there we go. Little baby jack. Go ahead and release him. Swim away just fine. All right, much better than the stupid catfish. We got something here. Oh, he's big. Oh, he's way big. Let's go. Oh, gosh. Come on. Come on, what is it? Dude, I don't know what this is. It's running. Come here. Come here. It might be a redfish. Yeah, oh, it's a fat redfish. Let's go. Come here. Come here. Stop splashing me, idiot. Big bull. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. Let's go. Big old redfish. Yes, sir. Nice, dude. This is awesome. Hey, there he goes. Let's go. That was a big one. Yes. So we found out they like the shrimp. So what happened there is that, I don't know if I started recording soon enough, but I saw something blow up on the grass. casted right in front of that, where that little pop-up was. Started reeling, jerking my shrimp. Boom! Just nailed it. That's the biggest redfish I've caught here in Florida. Back where I'm from in Charleston, South Carolina, redfish are kind of like the staple there. That is the biggest one I've seen. He tore the crap out of my shrimp. Might have to throw a new one of them on there. Oh, let's go. That was sick. So the tide's starting to go out, and we are currently, my fins right here are sitting on the bottom. So I think that means it's time to turn around, head back out of this sucker. Yeah, that's the bottom. We're out. If you don't like this stuff, comment, let me know. I'm down to try different things, so if you guys want to know more or learn more about certain things, once again, just comment, let me know. And yeah, subscribe if you like what I'm doing here and having fun with me. Friday's my birthday, so tomorrow from when this goes up. So that doesn't change anything. I'll see you guys Tuesday, the following video. So thanks again, and catch you later. If I don't flip out of this. Alright. I wonder if this is gonna hurt my foot. Move that, don't want to lose that one. Carry this sucker up out of here.